This demonstration will show you how to control the motors on the robot. We will use pins 1 and 8 for the left motor and 2 and 9 for the right. Set the pull pin of the pins to none at the beginning. We will send signals to the pins later to control the speed and rotation of the motors. We will make the robot move forward or reverse depending on the distance of the object in front of it. Add the extension for the distance sensor. You may want to use your preferred extension over the one being showed in this demonstration. We will use pins 15 and 16 to work with the distance sensor. Add the variable and store the distance in centimeters at the beginning of the loop. We will use conditional blocks to indicate which set of events will be performed. This one will make the robot move forward as the distance is less than 10 centimeters. PWM pins are used to control how much power goes into a motor. We will use pin 1 for the left motor and pin 2 for the right. Use analorite to set the PWM signal. Minimum is 0 and maximum is 1023. Since the power supplied to the motors is 5 volts, setting it to 256 will set the power to 1.5 volts. We need the pins to control a DC motor. Since the number of PWM pins is limited, we will use a regular digital pin instead. A digital pin signal can only be 1 or 0. One pin of each pair should be set to 0 for the motor to move to a specific direction. We will make both motors move forward using 1.5 volts to power the motors for 100 milliseconds. Setting all pins to 0 will stop the motors. We will copy the conditional block and change its condition. We will make the robot move in reverse this time if the distance of the object becomes less than 4 centimeters. Change the pin signals so that the motors will move in reverse. We can only set a digital pin to 0 or 1. Setting it to 1 will set the power for the motors to 100% or 5 volts. Upload the code to the robot and test. Modify the code to your preference. Have fun!